G'day viewers, we're heading off on a ride today. We're going to go to Geraldton, Northampton, hopefully up to Calbarry. It's going to be a good trip. Bike's all fixed thanks to the team at Harley Heaven Midvale. Thanks to the boys and girls there. Cheers, and we'll see you on the road. So we've got this new sound stream system on the bike, which is great. Got everything on it, Waze, Google, Moto info. Got 25 million different gauges on there. Apparently I need to get a new box. Yeah, we're finding it's turning itself on and off. It's weird. We're going to go get a beer in Dongara. Get a beer in Dongara.
Beer in Dongara.
Get your ass on. Let's go! everybody. I'm Rodney Copperbottom. Hi. And I want to be. Oh, all right, Rodney. There you go, mate. Grab yourself a CC and dry. Hey. So the ride's been, the ride was pretty good.
The ride was pretty good.
So far, it was pretty quick. We
Saw cows.
the cows. Wasn't too bad. The bike went well. And again, big shout out to Tim Finney, and check out his YouTube channel. Harley Heaven Perth in Midvale for doing my bike. He's got that ready for me. Brilliant. And it's run like a dream. Anyway, we're going to knock these proffies down. Get them into you. Cheers, biggies. So we're just leaving Dongara now. Give you another good look at this massive crayfish. Fucking huge, mate. That is massive. We shall continue on. Welcome to Morby, viewers. We made it. Here's our lusher comms. SOX made it. The Boab tree. Pretty cool, eh? My followers. 2,000 followers. Thank you, everybody. That's great. An incident. The GoPro fell off at 110. Bounced down the road. Got run over by a bloody Prado, and that's now pretty well useless, so that's a bit unfortunate. So I've got to film stuff on the phone now, but anyway, here we are. Not a bad little place, beautiful weather, better than Perth, and we'll head back out on the road tomorrow. I'll see you out there. Peace. So here we are in Northampton, on the way up there to Calbarry, back there to Gero, going to that bakery tomorrow. Apparently they've got good snot blocks.
Good snot blocks. Check that out in a minute.
Anyway, we'll go over and show you these footballers in a minute. Apparently the town of Northampton has the highest ratio of AFL footballers, so I've been told, 29-1.
From here.
From here, Northampton. Like I said. Anyway, time for a frothy. Hello everybody, my name's Rodney Copperbottom, and I'm thirsty.
Hang on.
So there you go. 29-1.